at you. Look how strong you are at 5.5 weeks old. Look at how strong you are. Yeah. That's my boy. Look at that head. Look at that head go up. Well, look at a big boy you are. You're so strong. You're so strong, my son. Tyler. 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 Mommy's here. Can you turn your head for me? Can you turn your head again? Maybe not. Not right now. You're getting to be such a big boy, my love. Whoa, look at that. Oh, okay, I think we're about to get mad now. It's time to turn off the cameras. Time to turn off the cameras.